Hello guys, and welcome to this Dollar Tree makeup organizer video. So if you enjoy organizing videos, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and also subscribe so you can see more. To make this little palette holder, we're going to need this cardboard magazine or file holder. Now this comes in different designs. I picked this one up for no reason at all because I'm actually going to cover it with this little lining paper or sticker that I also got at the Dollar Tree, just because I like the pattern of this more. I'm going to go ahead and measure just how much paper I want to cover the entire thing, and for that I'm just literally placing the item or the cardboard magazine holder right on top of the paper and then bringing the paper around the entire thing. That's going to help me make sure that I'm cutting just enough paper to cover the entire thing. Once I measure how much paper I want, I'm of course going to cut it, and then right away we're going to start sticking and covering the cardboard magazine holder. Now I do want to mention, I think they have plastic ones, but I don't think that they're like completely straight. I think that they have like rounded edges and stuff, and I just didn't want that. That's why I picked this one up. And then to stick this, all you're going to do is peel the sticker side from the, I think it's like a waxy kind of paper, and then literally just start sticking. I'm going to start at the back of the holder for no reason at all, to be honest. I just thought it was easier this way, and then once I placed the first part, I just turned it around so that you guys could see exactly what I'm doing. And then you just want to pull away the wax paper from the sticky paper as you stick to the magazine holder, and it's super simple. You don't get like any air bubbles or anything like that as long as you're pulling as you go. Once you get to the other side of the holder, you want to start cutting away any excess paper because it will start sticking to each other, and that may like close the entry or the top part or the open part of your magazine holder. So once you are done covering the entire thing, then you want to cut away all the excess paper and then kind of like fold in the edges inside the magazine holder, and you're basically done. This is such a good way to store your bigger palettes in case you don't have like any big drawers, or if you don't have any drawers at all, then you could definitely put in here all of your palettes as long as you make multiples of this. I only made one just to show you because I do have drawers and I just prefer all of my makeup stored inside drawers. I know some people like to display it and have it outside. I am not one of those people. And then for inside of the drawers, I just use these little clear acrylic containers. These smaller ones are perfect for like compacts or just like smaller items. And then in another drawer, I use these bigger clear acrylic containers. All of these are from the Dollar Tree, of course. That is what this video is about, and this one is perfect for like foundations, setting spray, or smaller palettes. For my brushes, I do recycle or upcycle candle containers. I think that they are perfect for this, but if you don't buy any candles or if you just don't prefer the glass look, then Dollar Tree has these metal containers that are also perfect for brushes. If you wanted to make it a little more glam, you could paint it gold, but they do come in silver, which is still a pretty good look. And lastly, for lipsticks or any other lip products, I do have this big tower that I got from Amazon, which I will link down below if you're interested. But Dollar Tree does have some pretty cool acrylic clear containers for lipsticks and other containers as well, which are pretty amazing in my opinion. And that will actually bring us to the end of this video. I really hope that you guys enjoyed it, and if you did, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. I'm not sure what you're waiting for, but thank you so much for watching, and I really hope that you enjoyed it. Have a lovely, I don't know when this is going up, Wednesday or Sunday, but anyway, have a lovely day. Bye.